This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. Like generally, students always want to know what are the soft skills or what are the things apart from your core legal skills, what are required to be a successful corporate lawyer, or in that matter, anything related to corporate law.
I think many obvious skills, but overlooked sometimes. And again, this comes with a lot of experience and a lot of mistakes that you do along with during the course of your career. I think just trying to get everybody, tried. I would say building a more of a a consensus kind of an approach would be good in your profession, rather than taking the highway or the my way kind of an approach. Just getting more people on board, rather than and convincing somebody about your viewpoint, rather than trying to say my viewpoint is right because I am saying it. I think is may not be the correct approach. And I think a general sense of learning from everybody. Like it's said in the Rig Veda, knowledge comes from all sources. You have to open your doors to receive it. So I think whoever it is in your office or whoever you could be working with, I generally follow the tenets of the Rig Veda, where it says, open the doors to knowledge and let it come from all sides. So I have opened it, and I would, that has helped me learn some of the most important things from everybody across the board. It could be senior, junior, my colleague, doesn't matter. So I think that's a very important trait to have.
Okay. So next thing, Ajay would just like to know, like for students who are studying, they always feel that they're thinking about the remuneration or things like that. Of course, like generally for a lawyer who is in corporate law, of course we don't want any numbers, but generally, what do you message to them who are only worried about money?
If you are only worried about money, I would say that's a good thing. It's not a bad thing to begin with. It's a good thing to begin with. But I would say, in addition to being worried about that, I would also be worried about my learning, my knowledge, my values, my skills that I bring to the table. While yes, money is important, and I don't disagree with them, it's important for all of us. I think they should also focus on these things in parallel, and that will definitely be the success mantra.
Okay.